Hello guys, good afternoon. El día de hoy estuvimos trabajando ya con nuestro libro. Por ahí fueron algunos ejercicios que no estuvieron muy complicados, ya los realizamos y para no hacerles muy largo el video, porque lo que me interesa es que realicen esta tarea. Esta pequeña tarea es acerca de una lectura. Ya los alumnos saben que la van a leer y me van a mandar el audio. Es esta de aquí, se llama The Hugging Lion, ¿ok? Listen.
Joy and George Adamson were big cat conservationists and campaigners who lived in Kenya, Africa. They were famous for raising a lion cub called Elsa, who was orphaned when her mother was shot. Joy was very compassionate about lions, and although she loved Elsa, she wanted to set her free so she could live a natural life in the wild. Joy, who was also an author and artist, wrote a book about Elsa called Born Free, which later inspired a movie of the same name. But Elsa wasn't the only notable lion that came into the Adamsons' life.
Okay. Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a lion cub called Chris. Chris was in the pet store of a department store in London, thousands of kilometers from the plains of Africa. Two friends, John and Ace, bought Chris. They wanted him to be the mascot of their furniture store. They used to take Chris out for walks on a leash and for day trips to the beach. They even took him out for afternoon tea at expensive London cafes. The waiters who worked there soon became accustomed to a lion coming for tea. Chris grew bigger and bigger, but he loved his owners very much. One day, by complete coincidence, the actors who played Joy and George Adamson in the movie Born Free visited John and Ace's furniture store. They saw Chris and told John and Ace all about the Adamsons' work. They suggested that they took Chris to the Adamsons' reserve in Kenya, where he could be introduced to life in the wild just like Elsa. John and Ace were sad, but they knew it was best for Chris. A year later, John and Ace went to visit their old pet, who was now free with his own group of lions. They didn't know what Chris would do when he saw them again. They were very brave and perhaps foolish to walk up to a fully grown male lion. Suddenly, Chris ran towards his old friends. Was he going to attack them? No. He put his huge paws on their shoulders and hugged them just like he used to when he was their pet lion in London. Like Elsa, this meeting made Chris a movie star. The video clip of him hugging John and Ace has been watched by millions of people online.
Okay, this is the lecture. Esta es la lectura para que ustedes practiquen este reading. Remember, grábenlo y ustedes leyendo esta lectura y me lo mandan. We have a lot of days. Tenemos un montón de días. Friday, desde mañana. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, porque no tenemos clases tampoco, ¿ok? Entonces, ya no los entretengo. Ahí está la lectura. También voy a mandar fotografías de ella al grupo, así que pues ahí las vamos a dejar. Cualquier pregunta, cualquier cosa, me dejan saber. See you later. Bye, bye.